Tired of Jira's default workflow not fitting your team? Learn exactly how to edit it in under 5 minutes. We'll start by opening your project, then access automations, find your workflow, and edit the flow details, triggers, and actions. First things first, go ahead and open your Jira account. I'm going to log into mine right now. You'll want to be on the main dashboard where you can see all your projects listed on the left side panel. Now, click on whatever project you want to work with. This is the project that's using the workflow you need to change. Just find it in that left panel and open it up. You'll land on your project's backlog or board view, depending on what you had open last. All right, so here's where the magic starts. Look up at the top right corner of the screen. See that little lightning bolt icon? Click on that. This is your shortcut to everything automation related in Jira. I use this all the time, and it's one of those features that once you know where it is, you'll wonder how you ever missed it. When that menu drops down, you'll see an option that says Manage Automations. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the control center for all your automated workflows. This is where you can see every rule that's running for this project, including the one we're about to edit. Now, you'll see a list of all your automation rules. Find the workflow you want to change. Next to each one, there are 3 little dots. Go ahead and click those 3 dots for the workflow you need to edit. A smaller menu pops up, and you'll want to click Edit Flow. This opens up the visual editor where you can actually see how your automation is structured. This is the part I really love about Jira's automation system, because you can literally see the flow from start to finish. So here's where you can make real changes. Let's start with the flow details. You can rename the workflow, give it a description, or change which project it applies to. I usually start by making sure the name still makes sense for what we're actually trying to accomplish. And here's the really important part. Scroll down a bit and you'll see the trigger and the actions. The trigger is what starts everything off. Maybe you want the automation to kick in when someone transitions a ticket to in progress, or when a due date passes. Click on that trigger section and you can change it to whatever makes sense for your team. Below the trigger, you've got your actions. These are the things that actually happen once the trigger fires. Maybe you want to automatically assign the ticket to someone, send a Slack notification, or update a custom field. You can add multiple actions, remove ones you don't need, or reorder them. I've tested this many times, and Jira gives you a ton of flexibility here. Once you've got everything looking exactly the way you want it, just look up to the top right corner and click that Save button. Your changes will be applied, and the automation will start working immediately. And that's it. You've gone from being stuck with a default workflow that didn't work for you to confidently editing triggers, actions, and flow details to match exactly what your team needs. Now you know exactly how to customize your automations in Jira without any of the confusion. Give it a try with your own project, and you'll see just how straightforward it really is.